Today we are going to take a look at the brand new lineup of Profoto OCF II light shaping tools. Lindsay Adler here, and there are a lot of times I like to shoot with a lot of gear, and that's not just in the studio, it's also on location. And I know on location you're supposed to be portable and lightweight, but you know what? Sometimes I want a lot of gear. This could be 2, 3, 4 strobes, and one of the reasons is because it allows me to transform my environment. And as you might guess, taking a lot of gear on location can be a hassle. So hopefully if I take that gear, ideally it's going to be compact and lightweight. And that's one of the reasons I'm in love the Profoto B10 and B10 Plus. If you haven't checked them out yet, they're fabulous. They're these battery operated strobes, super powerful, really compact, and they have some really great modifying tools, specifically designed to be portable and easy to use. So Profoto, they just came out with a brand new line of OCF II light shaping tools, and I had the opportunity to shoot with them. Now, the way that they've designed them is to make sure that when you're on location, you can work faster, it's easier, they're compact, all of those things, and I'll explain why I like them. Now, I'd like to share a quick overview of all the new products, and then I'll tell you my favorites, the ones I'm definitely going to add to my kit. First up is the OCF II Snoot. Now the Snoot, what it does is it helps give you a tight area of light. And this portable version, it folds and unfolds super quickly, and it's meant for speed and portability. Normally, I'd never take a Snoot on location just because the size and the shape, but the design of the OCF II Snoot makes it really easy to take along with you. Next up is the OCF II barn doors. Now these barn doors, they fold up super small and they allow me to flag the light so I can carefully control the spread and placement of light in the scene. Now for one of my shots, I was testing out my new gear and I used the OCF II Snoot on the face and the OCF II barn doors layered with an OCF II gel to mimic the feel of late evening sun. I took the environment that was already there, but I made it richer. I made it more dramatic. Now, speaking of gels, now on to the tools that got me really excited. The OCF II gels and grids. Now, if you know me, you know my work, my tutorials, you know that I love these two tools. The OCF II gels are awesome. Yes, the color's nice, but that's not what makes them great. They've been designed to snap onto the Profoto OCF strobes like the B10 and B10 Plus using magnets. So it takes a split second to attach. No more struggling with tape or awkwardly attaching gels. This is definitely going to save me a ton of time. Now, there's this OCF II gel and grid holder. It has magnets on the mount, so the gels just snap on. And I can stack multiple gels, which I often do, or layer a few gels and a grid. And that takes me on to the OCF II grids. There's a 10, 20, and 30 degree grid, which helps control the spread of light. Now, they're designed to attach just like the gels. They snap into place using magnets, and I can layer them together. Grids are one of the tools that I use most often in my work because it gives me such control. For this creative shot, I transformed the forest into a blue, dreamy world by using a 20 degree OCF II grid illuminating the subject. And then I chose 2 OCF II blue gels as rim lights on either side of the subject. And what I loved is it made the foliage look like it's glowing blue flowers. And by shooting at a wide aperture, it made it even moodier, even dreamier. And tungsten white balance, the whole thing I thought looked like it was a moonlit scene. All of the OCF tools were designed because they keep in mind that we need to be lightweight, compact, fast on location. And these things are important to the way I work, especially if I'm taking a lot of gear. Now, I was particularly impressed with the grids and gels, and I can stack 2 grids and a gel in honestly less than a second. No struggle, no wasting time, and that's what I love. Now, if you want to see the gear used in this tutorial, be sure to check the links in the description below and visit Adorama.com. Be sure to find me on social, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.